Hello again to all of you and welcome back to the channel. Well, today we have something special for you. Let me start off by this. Have you ever imagined a parrot frolicking in the snow? Well, get ready to meet a truly unique bird, the Keas, the world's only alpine parrot. These intelligent and playful birds not only tolerate the snow, they seem to absolutely love it. Let's dive into the fascinating world of this snowy superstar. Found high in the mountainous regions of the South Island of New Zealand, the Keas has perfectly adapted to its chilly environment. Unlike most parrots that thrive in the tropical climate, the Keas calls the snowy peaks its home. With its sturdy build, olive-green plumage that helps it blend into the rocky landscape, and those vibrant orange underwings that flash during the flight, the Keas is a sight to behold. But it's their intelligent and playful nature, especially around snow, that truly sets them apart. Keas are incredibly curious and opportunistic. Snow isn't just an obstacle for them, it's a playground. They've been observed using their strong beaks to break off chunks of ice, which they can then bat around like toys. You can see them sliding down the snowy slopes with obvious enjoyment, and they even seem to create their own snowy games. These remarkable behaviors are a testament to their adaptability and intelligence. Living in a harsh alpine environment demands resourcefulness, and the Keas has evolved to not only survive but thrive in it. Their playful interactions with the snow might even serve a purpose, perhaps helping them stay active and warm in the cold, or simply providing them mental stimulation in a stark landscape. But the Keas' intelligence extends far beyond just snowplay. They are known for their problem-solving abilities, often investigating human objects with a mischievous curiosity that has unfortunately led to some conflicts with humans, as they can be quite destructive when their curiosity gets the better of them. The Keas is a truly special parrot, a vibrant, intelligent creature perfectly adapted to the snowy world, and their playful antics in the snow are a joy to watch and a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on our planet. So the answer to our question is very clear. The Keas is the parrot that loves and plays with snow. Thanks for joining me on this snowy adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your 2 cents in the comments down below. For more fascinating animal facts, I'm your narrator, Chucky from Beyond. Have a good time.